Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos. One of the bags I've wanted for a while is the new Shimoda V2 bags. And they came out about a year, maybe a year and a half ago, but I have enough Shimoda bags that I didn't really want to spend the full price. And then I found a deal on Amazon for 20% off, plus I had a free coupon from Amazon. So I actually was able to get it to almost 40% off when everything was said and done. So I ended up going ahead and kicking off the purchase for the Shimoda V2 50-liter bag. I do not have a 50-liter bag at the house right now, so this was actually something I've been wanting for a while. So with that, let's go ahead and unbag it. And I'll give you my first impressions. My assumption is this is going to be 10 times better than what I already have. Interesting. Love the straps. These are probably one of the most comfortable straps you could have on a backpack, at least from my perspective. Being in the military for 22 years, I traveled around the world, and I carried a lot of different gear where I traveled. And having these type of straps distributes the weight better overall, and it just makes the load bearing a lot better. Waist straps, they've changed slightly. Interesting. Let's open up inside, see what we got inside. Now this should not have come with any of the camera cubes that they have, and as I expected. Presently upstairs, I have the small, the medium, the large, and then I have the extra large DV kits, and I use them depending on which bag I'm using. I also have the Shimoda roller, which I use a lot to travel with. It comes with its own pouch for rain cover. Very nice in the design. I'll explain in a second where. This will hold up to a 16-inch laptop right here. Also on the front side, which we'll look at now, it has another place to put a laptop. So you can either carry it up here or inside. Now, to be honest with you, the only time I would be carrying my laptop is if I was actually going on the airplane to some location. So I'd carry it with me until I get to the hotel and then take it out for my adventures. Very nice. The new design is a lot better than I originally was told. Okay, it's got a little hole here for water, if you're going to place water inside here, in the sense of a water reservoir. Drainage holes. It has new pouches on the side that can be removed. This is probably the biggest one, because they can be removed by taking these clips off here, and then you can place it anywhere else that you want to include on the waist strap if you wanted to. So I'm not going to do much on this one. I'm going to just spend a few minutes. Oh, it also has the ability to carry. But what I am going to do is probably next weekend, I'm probably going to load it up and then give you my impressions of it. Very large whip. Very nice. Oh, this is beautiful. And also for you people that like to pull your bags out on the side, it has that capability through here. I'm not sure if it's this side or the other side. We'll see in a second. Yep, this side. And you can basically put your camera cube in here, have the opening face up here, and you can take the opening, tuck it underneath here, so when you open up, you're looking directly into your camera cube, which when I set it up for my next adventure, I'll have it that way to show you. Wow. And then finally, you have these devices here, or not devices, you have the the fasteners here, which allows you to open it up from the very top, and then you can actually load it up depending on what you're doing mission-wise or adventure-wise. So again, this is the Shimoda V2 Action 50-liter bag. A lot of words. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one. Like I said, I've been wanting this one specifically for a long time. I had to sit down and think about it because it comes in the yellow, it comes in the green, and then of course it comes in the black in this design. But I wasn't too keen on the yellow because I thought it was too flashy, and I wanted the green. Unfortunately, the sale was a little bit better for the black, and that's why I chose the black one, to be honest with you. It'll fit in with some of my other black bags that I have now. So tell me what you think. Is it something that you want, or is this something else that you're looking at? So thanks for watching. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.